Hi everyone, my name is Will Wetzel and I'm leading some of the Harry Potter camps at Steamworks this summer. Today we'll be making one of the Harry Potter camp projects. I have here is a wand that we made with hot glue, paint, and some other supplies, and we're just going to be walking through the steps on how to make your own wand. So this is a finished wand here. The procedure we'll be doing is we'll be taking a dowel rod, one of these wooden dowel balls, sticking it on, hot gluing it on. We'll also be using hot glue to make a handle for the wand and other textures, and then we'll be painting it whatever color we'd like. So first we'll take our dowel rod and one of these wooden dowel rod balls, and we'll stick it on, and depending on what you want it to look like, you can select a different size. You might select multiple, but for this wand I'm just going to select one for the hilt of the wand. It's on there pretty securely, but what I'm going to do just to make it permanently affixed, I'm just going to take a hot glue gun and a little dollop of hot glue, and then stick it on there, and that will keep it permanently attached. From here you can make textures for your wand with the hot glue gun. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to create a bunch of hot glue right here, just going back and forth to create a nice handle to hold the wand. And then once I've got all that on, pretty smooth, I think that looks like a pretty good handle. I'm going to go further up and start to do kind of swirling pattern. And your wand doesn't have to be exactly like this, it's really however you want. During the camp we'll have a lot of examples provided that you can take inspiration from those and create a wand just for you. So this is what it will look like after you've done all the hot glue, and from here we'll move on, after we clean it up a little bit, to painting it. Now that we've waited a couple minutes, our glue is dry to the touch, so we can go ahead and start painting. Today for my wand, I've selected 3 colors, but you can really do whatever colors you want. I've got a brown and 2 different shades of green. Usually having some sort of wood or earthy color is a natural wand look. So I'm going to start with this brown color and just get a nice base coat. After we have this base coat of brown, I'm going to leave the handle unpainted for now so I have a place to grasp it. We're just going to set this down and let it dry for a few minutes before we add more paint on top. So after a few minutes, when this paint is dried, we'll come back to it and make sure to use a new paintbrush for a different color, or wash the old paintbrush thoroughly. And I'm going to come in with this dark green, and now that it's dry I can hold it from the other end. I'm going to paint the hilt of the wand dark green. Sweet, so now that this color is done, set that brush aside and we'll clean it later. And then I am going to still hold it by the tip, get a new paintbrush and use the light green color. And I just want to outline this swirly pattern around the wand. So I'm gonna take the light green and just paint that swirl. So now that I've finished that paint, we're just gonna sit this down and let it dry again. And then our wands will be done. So this is our wand project. If you'd like to do more Harry Potter based projects like this, then please sign up for one of our Harry Potter camps this summer. Hope to see you soon.